Today we're excited to have a special guest with us, someone who has been making waves on the football field and inspiring many of his peers with his dedication and teamwork. He recently helped lead his school team to victory in the city-level football championship. And he is here to share his journey, experiences, and what keeps him motivated. Please welcome Damar, a talented student athlete with a passion for a beautiful game. Hi Damar, thank you so much for being here today.
Hi, thank you for inviting me. I'm happy to be here.
First off, congratulations on your recent football achievement. Winning the city level championship is no small feat. How did it feel when your team lifted the trophy?
It was an amazing feeling. We were all proud. After months of training and hard match, it felt like all our hard work had finally paid off.
What would you say was the biggest challenge your team faced during the tournament?
Probably the quarterfinals, we were up against a very strong team. In the match when into penalties, it was nerve-wracking, but we stayed focused and managed to win.
Wow, that must have been intense. What role do you play on the team?
I play as a midfielder. I like being in the middle of the action, helping with both defense and attack.
As a midfielder, you need great stamina and awareness. How do you train to stay in top form?
I make sure to run regularly and focus on building my endurance. We also have team drills for passing, ball control, and tactics. Our coach really pushes us to improve every session.
That discipline shows. How do you manage your time between schoolwork and football practice?
It can be tough sometimes, especially during exam season. I try to keep schedule and avoid procrastinating. Doing homework right after school helps a lot before I head to training in the evening.
That's smart. Has football taught you any life lessons outside the pitch?
Absolutely, it's taught me about teamwork, discipline, and how to handle pressure. You don't just learn how to play, you learn how to hit, support others, and bounce back after setbacks.
Well said. What's one moment from this season that you'll never forget?
I'll never forget when I scored the winning goal in the semi-final. It was in the last minute of the game, and the crowd just went wild. I still get goosebumps thinking about it.
That sounds unforgettable. Who has been your biggest inspiration in football?
My dad, actually, he used to play football when he was younger, and he's always encouraged me. He comes to every game he can and gives me advice, sometimes too much advice.
That's awesome. Finally, what are your hopes for the future, both in football and beyond?
I love to keep playing and maybe represent my school at the national level. Long term, I'm also interested in studying sports science or becoming a coach. I want to stay close to the game one way or another.
That's a great plan. Thank you so much for your time, Damar. We wish you continued success on and off the field.
Thank you, I really appreciate it.